Here is my 1977 Briggs Abington on a high bucket tank. Alright, let's see how powerful it flushes with the 3.5 gallon bowl. I really like the swirl, and it's awesome. Since there's a concealed siphon jet toilet, I'm not going to plug those, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to flush that microfiber towel. Alright, here's a microfiber towel, and I got my plunger with me just in case if it clogs. Let's see if it takes it. Nope, I guess I'll plunge it. Well, I guess I'll flush it again. I'll try to overflow it. Flush 2. Let's see I can overflow it. Well, I guess I can't get it through. Thumbs down for the microfiber towel test. Thumbs up for a good flush. Hope if you guys enjoy this video, please like and comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.